Hi, this is Rick with Mystic Falls and Ponds LLC over here in Northport, Florida in my backyard. And I wanted to show you guys what we've done today. Here's Kyle. Say hi, Kyle. Kyle, boy, I tell you what, he's a lifesaver.
I knew he gave me the easy day yesterday. For a reason.
We've just taken out all these rocks. I don't know if you've seen the other video of the pond as I'm ripping it apart, but I got about a quarter of it out and gave up because it was just too much. But we've taken out all these rocks here. I'll bring you all around here, show you all the stone. All this rock came out of the pond, and I've got a pallet out front to put back in, and another pallet, two more pallets coming in. It ends up being about 7,000 more pounds of stone with the two pallets coming in, and altogether it's about 11,000 pounds of stone coming in. And this is what we've gotten done. We're taking the liner out, chopped it all up and everything, got it all ready to start digging. What we're going to be doing is that section right over here. There's going to be a shelf in here. We're going to be bringing it down into a shelf. See this one right here, and then ending the shelf right over there. We'll be shoveling this piece right here, bringing it in square, bringing that over in that corner there down to the 3 feet, overall and through here down to the 3 feet, and then we're going to be taking out from right over here. We'll be coming out about 2 feet to 3 feet into the flagstone patio, and then coming back in over here to the skimmer and bringing it back into its original. So we're going to end up gaining another 2 to 3 feet in on the patio here, and then we're going to be taking those flagstones, and over there where Kyle is, we're going to be flagstoning that over there. That's all going to be flagstone part of the patio. So it'll bring in more area here for the table, a barbecuer over there, and then whatever we can put in over here. I'll be cutting this back further here. But it was a lot of work today. We got started early this morning, and we've finished up doing this, and we'll be doing the digging and stuff. Probably sometime next week we'll start digging it all out and getting the liner and everything in. I've got to get that liner ordered and get that all taken care of. And here's Kyle. He's still doing some rocking. He just loves rocking.
I love it.
He can't leave those rocks alone. But anyways, this is Rick with Mystic Falls and Ponds LLC, and I hope everybody has a great day. Bye-bye.